Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, welcome to 488 Arnhem Drive, a well-maintained 3+1 bedroom brick home situated within a very desirable neighbourhood of Oshawa's O'Neill community. This rarely offered bungalow features a single-car garage with 3-vehicle driveway parking and is surrounded by beautifully landscaped gardens, the front yard greenery providing a sense of privacy for the home's south-facing veranda. Move-in ready, this home showcases a bright, open layout with the warmth of hardwood flooring throughout much of the main level, as well as a fireplace with a tapered mantle for added coziness in the living and dining rooms. An elegant light fixture in the dining area brings ambient brightness, in addition to the abundance of warm, natural light flooding through a huge south-facing window in the living room. Ceramic flooring finishes the foyer and the charming kitchen, which showcases large windows, hot lighting, glass-paneled upper cabinets, a stainless steel double sink, a glass and stone mosaic backsplash, as well as a metal range hood with a rustic finish, and includes the fridge, stove, and dishwasher. Its breakfast area has a pendant-style light fixture and built-in wood shelves, and to complement the cabinetry storage is a wall pantry next to the kitchen. The 3 bedrooms are spacious, have large windows as well as double closets, with 2 of these bedrooms also having French door entries. The main washroom showcases marble flooring, and marble also finishes the walls of a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads, as well as the counter of a vanity with wall-mounted toiletry cabinets. The washroom also well lit with pot and vanity lighting. The second and master bedrooms also feature accent walls, with the master bedroom additionally showcasing a second oversized double closet complete with organizers. The lower level has a separate French door entry from the side yard, with this finished level featuring laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, oversized basement windows, a distinct space that can be converted into a 4th household bedroom, a spacious storage, utility, and laundry room with a washer and dryer, as well as access to a large cellar, a nicely sized L-shaped games and recreation area, as well as a 4-piece washroom with tiled finishes, a step-up jetted tub with a handheld shower, toilet and bidet, a vanity with a tiled countertop, and a built-in toiletry cabinet. The side entrance opens onto a large wood deck for outdoor entertaining, with this 47 by 115 foot lot beautifully landscaped front and back, including a walkway from the front yard, perennial gardens with space to intersperse colorful annuals, and a flagstone walkway to the backyard, where mature shrubs and majestic evergreens bring a sense of serenity and privacy to the yard. This home also includes a storage shed, central air conditioning, and a garage door opener with a remote, has an updated roof and front door, and is just steps to Valley Grove Park, minutes to Coronation Public, Walter E. Harris Public, and Sir Albert Love Catholic Elementary Schools, as well as close to shopping plazas for everyday conveniences. Oshawa is an award-winning city that has it all. Its breathtaking waterfront and harbour is an economic powerhouse for Durham region. The nature-inspired beauty of Lakeview Park, with its playground, beaches, and picnic areas under a canopy of mature trees, is enjoyed by residents and visitors alike. Over 400 hectares of parklands and miles of hiking and biking trails are pleasantly balanced with a thriving economy and a wealth of amenities. And Oshawa has easy access to GO Transit, the 401 and the 407, making it ideal for an easy commute to downtown Toronto. Blending new urban communities and charming, well-established neighbourhoods, prepare to be amazed by what Oshawa has to offer. For a private viewing of this fine home, contact Sonia Sampson at 905-427-6522 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.